What I should explain while old mate over here mows his lawns, I'm going to put my glasses on because that sounds like right in my freaking eye. Right, we got a job on. It's not that. It's that. So, plan is to get rid of this. Now, it's not the best version of itself in the world. Example. Yeah, there's a car coming. Awesome. So, basically, we need to get rid of this Suzuki. It is covered in shit, as you can see. So, one of the big first jobs is going to be a wash. But we've got this sort of crap going on. We got some yellow headlights. We got some Toyota wheels, which actually are a benefit. We got the old LED light bar here that's just been pushed in. That is a feature, not a bug. And then we've got shit like this. So I'd really love to take care of this today, but time is limited and funds are limited, so this ain't getting fixed. This is sort of an easy fix for photos, but just have to be maintained. These tints I'm going to do nothing about. Right? Inside's pretty easy, that just needs a clean. Although there is one thing on the inside that I mentioned in the last video this man was on the channel for, the door cards. I got this far, I thought I had filmed it, turns out I had not. And if I had, I don't know where those videos have gone. So basically what I did was took the old door card and laid it down. I think I explained that part. Took a trace, cut it out, and then traced around here. Now, you might say, well, there's vivid marks on there. What are you going to do about that? Well, this is a peel off, so we're going to peel that off. So, first step to this, as always, I don't know, I can't see anything because it's very bright out here and I'm in sunnies. You can see. First step to this, of course, like last time, screws. So, let's get them out, because we need to make these a colour, not white. Otherwise I'd have to make the back ones white and the dashboard white. That's just disgusting. That one there. We've all seen this part before. I don't know if I really need to film it. Hot. That is hot. That is very hot. Why is that so hot? I don't know. This is not something I can answer, and as you can tell, I have become very good at doing that. Anyway, so the next ones are down the bottom here, and you're going to see something magical compared to last time. That's not very magical. Big filthy grubby screws, but they work. Why did I take the top screws out first? See how the speaker didn't go with it? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let's get these off. Let's get these wires unplugged carefully and gently, because you know, they are cheap. Like stupid cheap. And they don't like being plugged back in, so I may have just made a mistake there. I'm thinking. So basically I will just mask this off and this off, and we will spray. So with this GoPro battery just dying very quickly, when you're masking something up like this, there's an old trick I learned doing closed doors resprays a very long time ago. Just be careful, but because you really don't want to ruin the surface below, just cut around. Cut around your target. But as I said, be careful. And so, because you know GoPro batteries last so long, we've had to switch to the phone. Yeah, that's basically it. So as you can see, there's a bit of some ugly stuff going on here, but that's okay. The paint will only show it. Yeah. Anyway, as long as you're good with it, and as long as you're happy with it, you know, don't try and reinvent the wheel here. Just try and get it done. We probably should scuff it up because it is PVC, which is not very. It is porous, but it's not as porous as you need it to be to accept paint. Now you should probably put a plastic primer on it, but I'm not going to because y'all know.
You sure about that?
We're just going to see how it goes. So I actually am not going to bother sanding it either or prepping it.
You sure about that?
Because it's supposed to be wrinkle paint. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's not good. Oh, let's lay it in the grass and just give it a whack.
What the hell is even that?
That's going to wrinkle really well. So I'm actually now going to read the can to see how long that takes to dry. DE English UK Aussie UE. Resistant up to 150 degrees. So it might last. So I don't know if you can see that due to the sun glare, but we had a couple of catastrophic fuck ups. So over here, when I took the masking tape off, I should have cut it because it decided to take half the fucking paint with it. But that was all good. And then trying to get this back in, it just decided to mar up every bit of fucking paint it could. It decided to fight its way back in, which is fine. That happens. Anyway, so that's the door cards done. Just look at that, beautiful black, ready to face the world. And that, of course, did the same thing. So now there's a bit of wrinkle paint on my speakers, but that's okay. You can actually tell where there's wrinkle paint on the speaker, right in the centre. Shit. Oh well, it's done. We don't have to fuck around with it anymore. It's done. It is actually pretty nice. Except for that part and that part, that part and that part and that part and that part and that whole goddamn part there. But that's okay. It'll be fine. It's just to get rid of it. I know how sad that sounds. It's actually just to get rid of it, but that's okay. But hey, look, the interior matches now. It's black on black on black. It's beautiful. In fact, if you're looking at it through the camera... No, okay, they're completely different colours. Let's say it looks like it's the actual thing, but no, that's what that would have looked like brand new, not 10 years of absolute dog trash sun and being trashed about because it was a trading van. Yeah. Of course, there is one thing that really needs to go, so let's get rid of that.
You little fucking beauty.
Oh, and as for you, you fucking suck. Jesus, what the hell, GoPro? You used to be like the best, and that thing doesn't even last like 5 fucking minutes of filming before it's at 50% fucking battery or overheating. So, fuck you, I guess.